These are the elevators here at the Westin, Kansas City here, Crown Center.
Are you going up?
Yeah.
I'm right over here and I'll make sure that, oh, you got one yourself.
Yeah. Go right ahead, guys.
Thanks.
Here, Kansas City, Missouri. We got an Otis. Lexan has been renovated by innovation. 18. Here we go. And wires stopping. Oh. Going up? There's a hotel, I'm seeing it right over there. That's the Sheraton.
But even better if they cleaned the windows.
Yeah,
more often, right?
I decided to walk all the way over here because these are more interesting than.
Yeah, these are bad cool. The little kids love them. Enjoy.
Thank you. No, it is like, interesting. Yay. Conservation. Close. There's a lantern. Lights up green. Nice. Okay, here we go. And a video on lobby. Very nice elevators. Conservation. And we're gonna power stop. Here. No glass at all, unfortunately. Sad base. But, hey. Let's put in the lantern here. See, lights up green. And there's a Lexan call station, and I guess that's it.